In this recording, we'll show you the power of SolidCAM's 2.5D milling on this part. We'll go through some of the profile operations, the pocket operations, and the face mill operations. Let's first start with our face mill operations. Our face mill operation can be done in several ways. We can either go into the face mill operation, have our geometry chosen automatically. We have my tool that was automatically put in here as well. And all we need is our level. I'm going to have my upper level by the top of the stock. We can define it by the top of the stock automatically and by the top of the target as my depth. My technology, we have all different types of options over here. I'm just going to leave it at spiral. Save and calculate. And if we take a look at the simulation of this part, you'll see that the tool puts a spiral tool pass on the face of this part. I can do this automatically by using a template. Let's just delete this particular operation. And if I go to my templates here on the side, I'll just take it and drag it onto the top of the part. And it'll create the tool pass automatically. Not only that, if I drag it onto the side face over here, it'll create another operation over here as well. And it'll create also another home position. Now, let's say I want to create a pocket operation. We have the pockets operations over here, but again, we can also do it from the drag and drop template. Just take it, drag it onto the surface, and we have our pocket operation automatically created for that area over there. Running a quick simulation on the part, you'll see that the pocket has been created for that part. Now, let's say I want to create a profile operation over here. Again, I can take a template, but let's actually go ahead and create one. We'll go into profile, and when I create the geometry, all I have to do in this particular case is click on this face, and it will give me the geometry for every single one of those walls that are on the part. I can also do this individually. So basically, we're giving the control to the machinist to do exactly what he wants. We'll just accept that. We'll choose our tool, and our levels are automatically taken from the surface that we machine. We have our technology that can be set any way you want. We'll just do save and calculate, run our simulation, and we'll run it actually on the entire part. And you can see the entire part is being machined, from the face mill on top to the face mill on the side to the pocket on top, and then to finish off the profile operation. This is the power of SolidCAM, the program for machinists.